Alright, so we're out here in the middle of the desert. Trying to see if we could pick up anything out here. If you guys hear clicking, it's power lines above us. Got that creepy moon up there. Alright. Yeah, it is really creepy. It's kind of peaceful actually, but at the same time, it's kind of creepy. If anything's here, you want to talk to me? You can use my camera's microphone, try to communicate with me. Are you out here? Hearing the little bugs jumping through the dirt. Is there anybody out here? I heard that the road right next to us is supposedly haunted. Is there a little girl that haunts this road? Do you want to come out and try to talk to us? Don't be afraid. I'm not afraid of you. You don't have to be afraid of me. This creepy bush right here. It's a creepy bush. Hello. Yeah, this is like a really, really creepy area, but it's kind of peaceful at the same time. Hello, anybody out here? Hello, anybody out here? Hello, anybody out here? I don't know. I think I picked it up on my camera. I don't know. I just heard a girl's voice. I'm not lying right now. I just heard a girl's voice. It sounded like it's saying I'm hiding or something like that.
Was it like whispering?
It was like I'm hiding or something like that.
Okay.
Did you hear it?
Mm-mm.
It sounded like it was like right here, like that next to that tree right there. See, I heard a dog bark, but that was a dog. See that you can hear the dog barking? Yeah, that was not the dog. It was like a female's voice, like a full-on girl. Yeah, those are dogs. See, I could tell the difference between a dog and a voice because those sound really far. This one sounded like it was like probably like right there.
Within a short walking distance.
Yeah, like it didn't sound far. It sounded like it was right here. Surprised you didn't hear it. It was pretty loud. I don't know if I caught it on my camera. I hope I did. I seriously.
Yeah, particular experience. It's a crack one.
Yeah. You know what's really crazy though? They say that spirits use energy. You know, they can use energy from your phone, from electrical things, and it's probably, you never know. This probably can be, you know, giving off energy for spirits to use, because it's such a high source of energy.
Right.
So it could be supplying whatever's here energy. Yeah, this is like extremely creepy. Oh, fireworks. Alright, so I'm gonna keep the... Alright guys, what's up? I'm here at the local cemetery near my house. I don't even know if you could see me right now. But I am here at the local cemetery and it's creepy. So what does it say? Mary Chapuli? What does that say?
Chapuli, Paute, tribe 1856-1960. Wow.
Oh, so that's...
Probably one of the oldest ones. And that was a tribesman.
So that's Native American?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
That's dope, huh?
That's the same spot where I did that session where I caught that Sitting Bull voice.
Oh, really?
Yeah, down there.
Can you use your EVP?
Sure, you want to? Yeah. But yeah, sure. I didn't even know that. I didn't even check that out. Okay, guys. So what's really crazy is that he just pointed out there's a sign right there that says that it's a name of a lady named Marie Chapuli, and that it's what is it?
She's up out the tribe.
Oh, Baote tribe, and that's like Native American. And I just noticed in that same spot, I did a ghost box session the other time I was there, and right here, I was standing right here.
Oh, somebody knocked this one down. Right. This cross right here.
Oh,
Here goes their tomb.
sorry. No, but this sign right here says, oh, put the strobe on. It says the Mary Chapuli Bayote tribe, 1856 to 1960. In this area right here, I was doing a spirit box session, and it said, I'm gonna fight you. And I go, oh, you're gonna fight me? And then you hear a female voice go for land. Then I immediately assumed it was a Native American.
And that might have been her.
Yeah, the female voice. You're gonna fight me? I just heard you. Oh, for land. I might be like, yeah. Did you guys hear that? That was insane. It said, I'm gonna fight you for land. Maybe it's like Native Americans. Is there any Native Americans here? Mary, are you here with us? I'm gonna start the box. Alright, so this is the box. Let's try to... I just heard something say spirit here.
Yeah. Hi, Marie. Are you here, Marie? Sorry to bother you, Marie. Just wanted to say hi.
Hello, are you here with us?
Are you here, Marie? Marie Chapuli?
Yes.
Hi, how are you doing?
Good.
Good? Well, that's great to hear. So,
Heard a female voice.
hey, Marie? Do you have to go now, Marie? What are you doing at this moment? Are you with others? Hey, Marie. So who do you have with you? Are you accompanied by somebody else?
No.
Can they? No?
I don't know what that said.
Not you?
me.
No, okay.
How many of you are here?
10?
Yeah, something like 10.
What are you guys up to?
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. But look, the door's open. And I never got to go in it before. Hello? There's urns here. Hello? I honestly want to try a spirit box in here.
Yeah. Anybody there with us? Oh, here with us, huh? As you say?
I'm here. You hear that? Whoa, snap. You hear it?
Yeah. It sounded like a woman.
You hear it again. You hear it? It's like, Hello, is there anybody here? Yeah. How many of you are here? 30.
30. Hello. Hey,
I don't know.
did anybody jump the bridge?
Someone died. See, someone died here.
It sounded like it said suicide.
Yeah.
Me? What's your name?
You notice it's the same voice on different channels. Did it say I jumped or something?
It sounded- Yes.
Yes.
You jumped?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you enjoy company from the living?